Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. So the problem says triangle ABC has in center I. Let D be the intersection of AI and BC. E and F are similarly defined. X is the point on BC such that IX is perpendicular to BC. Y and Z are similarly defined. Given that AB is equal to 13, BC is equal to 14, and AC is equal to 15, what is the area of DXFYE? So first, we want to find like the side lengths. So we know AB is 13, BC is 14, and AC is 15. So since DE and F are the angle bisectors, we can easily find them by the angle bisector theorem. So BD is equal to 13 over 13 plus 15 times 14, which is 13 over 2. And then CD is 15 over 2. And then you can find the rest of the lengths in the same way. So now we have the distances for D, E, and F. We want to find the distances for X, Y, and Z. So we know if we have A, B, C, and we have I, then if we do perpendiculars here, since this is the inner circle, then we know by equal tangents theorem that this is X, this is Y, this is Z. So since AB is 13, AC is 15, BC is 14, so it's 13, it's 15, this is 14. Then we can calculate X is equal to 7, Z is equal to 8, and Y is equal to 6. So now we know these distances, so we can get this is. So in order to find the area of this hexagon, we want to take the area of the triangle and subtract it by the area of these three smaller triangles. So we can do this by finding the ratio of these three smaller triangles to ABC. So let's take DEC, for example. We have DEC over ABC is equal to, this is just EC over AC times DC over BC. And then we said CE is 70 over 9. AC, we know is 15. DC, we calculated is 15 over 2. And then BC, we know is 14. So if we calculate this, we get 5 over 14. No, it's not 14. 18. And so that's the ratio of DEC over ABC. So now we want to find BXC over ABC. And this is just equal to BZ over AB times BX over BC. And this is equal to, well, BZ here we know is Y, and Y is equal to 6. So 6 over AB, which we know is 13. BX is also Y, so that's 6. And then BC is 14. So this is equal to over 90, 18 over 90. So now we have our last triangle is AFY. AFY over ABC is just equal to AF over AB times AY over AC. So it's AF over AB times AY over AC. So AF, here we got 195 over 29, so we have 195 over 29. AB is 13. AY was X, and X is equal to 7. And then AC is 15. So if we calculate this, 195 is just 13 times 15. So we can cancel. And then this is 7. So we get this is equal to 7 over 29. So now since we have each of these, we have 7 over 29, 18 over 91, and 5 over 18. So the fraction of the hexagon over ABC is just 1 minus 18 over 91 minus 7 over 29 minus 5 over 18. And then since the total area of ABC is 84 by Heron's formula, then we get this is times 84. So if we calculate this, this is 84 minus 216 over 13 minus 588 over 29 minus 70 over 3. So if we calculate this, we get 26890 over 113. So that's the answer.